Yes, sister, most welcome.
A Muslim woman is supposed to wear a burqa when she goes out of the house. Is it correct if instead of the burqa she wears a simple, decent shalwar kameez and covers her body and her head with a big odhni? Thank
Sister
you.
asked the question that, is it compulsory for a Muslim woman when she goes out of the house, she should wear a burqa? Can't she wear a salwar kameez with a long dupatta or odhni? Sister, the word burqa is mainly called in India. If you read the verse in the Quran, it is jilbab, and overcoat. So Allah says in the Quran in Surah Ahzab chapter number 33 verse number 59 that, O Prophet, tell your wives, your daughters and the believing women when they go abroad they should put on the cloak. That is the jilbab. So that they shall be recognized and it will prevent them from being molested. The best, sister, is that you should have an overcoat. Whether you want to call it an overcoat, you want to call it a burqa, whatever it is. But the Arabic word is jilbab. Outer garment is the right word, which goes and flows in one, so that all the rules and regulations of the Sharia can be followed. If you wear this outer coat, inshallah, you are following most of the rules of the Sharia. It's easier. If you wear a shalwar kameez and have a dupatta, and how put the dupatta is, if it's as big as going down right till the ankle, fine, it may be somewhat like an overcoat, where if you go in Saudi Arabia, in the Arab countries, they have only one piece directly going down. So that you can call a big dupatta again. But preferable, sister, to cut short, that overcoat is preferable. If you cannot wear a coat, next is to have a bigger rida, but the minimum requirement coat, most of the scholars say, and even I agree with that, that coat is the minimum requirement. But the next stage can be fine, shalwar kameez and a long dupatta and covering everything. But the best is that if you have an overcoat following, that it should not be tight, it should be loose, it should not be transparent, it should not be glamorous, all this. Coat is preferable, and it is best that a Muslimah, when she goes out, she should have that overcoat. Hope that answers the question, sister.